South Goa, where the Sal River meets the Arabian Sea, is a lighthouse which guides mariners through dark nights. A few hundred meters from this imposing lighthouse is an even greater guiding light. IPSHEM, the Institute of Petroleum Safety, Health and Environment Management. An institution that guides us towards safer, greener and more responsible ways to conduct hydrocarbon operations in both offshore and onshore sites. IPSHEM is the premier institute for training programs in occupational health, safety and environment management dedicated to the hydrocarbon sector. It also conducts environmental studies with cutting-edge R&D, building a vast database and unmatched expertise that keep it at the forefront in HSE sector. IPSHEM was conceptualized and established in 1989 by ONGC, a Fortune 500 company and one of India's Maharatnas, known the world over, with an impressive track record spanning 6 decades in offshore and onshore operations. Since its inception, IPSHEM has been empowering petroleum professionals with safety know-how and a sense of greater responsibility for the environment. It offers courses on a range of HSE subjects from basic to advanced levels. Firefighting for operational personnel. Advanced search and rescue cum firefighting for professional firefighters. Blowout contingency control. Survival at sea. OPITO accredited helicopter underwater escape training. NIBOSH International Diploma for HSE Personnel. NIBOSH Certificate Program. Behavior-Based Safety. Occupational Health and Ergonomics. On-site hydrogen sulfide safety. Accident and incident investigation. Safety in handling of explosives. Safety in logging operations. Emergency preparedness and response. HSE awareness. ISO Lead Auditors and Internal Auditors Program. Safety Auditors Program. Oil Spill Management. Environmental Impact Assessment Studies. All course modules are comprehensive, in-depth and regularly upgraded in content and methodology. The Survival at Sea training includes modules of first aid and firefighting. It even makes the mandatory offshore training very realistic by conducting the training aboard Samudra Shiksha, a vessel owned by ONGC. Anchored in the backwaters of Goa shipyard at Vasco da Gama, Samudra Shiksha is the only vessel of its kind in entire Asia where trainees get first-hand offshore experience in realistic yet controlled situations. The firefighting training module incorporates live firefighting experience by deploying state-of-the-art simulators. Boiling liquid expanding vapor explosion fire simulator. Bund fire simulator. Hydrocarbon liquid and gas pipeline leakage fire simulator. Confined vessel entry with self-contained breathing apparatus. Electrical panel fire simulator. Oil and gas wellhead fire simulator. Smokehouse evacuation simulator. Hydrocarbon liquid storage tank fire simulator. Hydrocarbon road tanker fire simulator. Drilling, workover rig fire simulator. And some of the new training programs in the offing are offshore oil and gas exploration, production and process platform fire simulator, Onshore petroleum production installation fire simulator. Pressure vessels fire simulator. LPG bottling plant fire simulator. Rail wagon and road tanker truck loading gantry fire simulator. High-rise building fire simulator. Besides ONGC, Ipsham is also engaged by other national and international petroleum companies to provide HSE training to their employees. The partnership isn't limited to training. Ipsham is also engaged in conducting R&D studies such as offshore environment monitoring, environmental studies for statutory environmental clearances, occupational hazards identification at both onshore and offshore installations. R&D studies are conducted in collaboration with reputed institutes like the IITs and the NIO. Complementing this world-class HSE training infrastructure is a hand-picked workforce comprising qualified and accomplished professionals. Ipsham's resources, its expertise, and its role and significance in the hydrocarbon industry have brought it many laurels. These include recognition and accolades of great prestige: Golden Peacock Award, Green Tech Award, Energy and Environment Foundation Global Safety Award, Global Environment Award, FAME India Environment Excellence Award, GrowCare India Environment Award. The only training base of its kind in entire Asia, Ipsham has world-class residential facilities for trainees who come from all over the country. Comfortable rooms, sprawling lush green campus, large dining hall with freshly cooked meals, and abundant recreational facilities make their stay at Ipsham a truly memorable experience. Ipsham believes in leading by example in all its endeavors. In response to the pressing need of our times to reduce one's carbon and water footprints, Ipsham has taken exemplary initiatives. The 1 megawatt solar power plant commissioned on campus in August 2018 has reduced Ipsham's annual carbon dioxide emissions by up to 1,000 tons and has made Ipsham ONGC's first carbon-neutral green institute. Water conservation is promoted by using methods such as drip irrigation, rainwater harvesting, and use of sprinklers. All biodegradable kitchen waste is turned into vermicompost with zero surface disposal. This compost is then used as fertilizer for the foliage in the complex. Wastewater produced at Ipsham is recycled too. After processing through sewage treatment plant, it is used for gardening within the complex. Efforts that have yielded a rich bouquet of flora and fauna all over the campus. With all its aspirations and commitments, its efforts and accomplishments, ONGC Ipsham continues to shine like the noble lighthouse of Goa, braving the forces of nature, standing tall as an inspiring example of industrial prudence. Ipsham continues to guide ONGC and India towards a safer, greener future.